Time I came here to Candlestall, actually, they said, yo, we're going to give you some head, my bro. And I thought to myself, yeah, we're also going to suck my tootie, my bro. And when we were talking about fucking weed, bro, I was most fucking upset about that. But maybe later tonight, sir, you can sort me out, I don't know. Hey? Let's see how it goes. Guys, when I get high, I'm quite stressed to talk English, man. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Because like it just leaves me, my bro. It leaves me like I fucking left my first wife, my bro. Just out of the blue, fuck her and that kid, you know? But yeah, let's get fucking lekker geroek tonight, guys. Don't get still geroek, guys. Let's just get in our push geroek. Don't fucking get still and don't laugh, guys. Please, man. You know, let's get lekker geroek. Let's get fucking stoned like a Muslim, my bro. Let's get geroek like a Jew. We can go lekker, my bro. We're not going to overdo it. Okay, guys? But yeah, like this new weed that these oaks are selling these days, guys, here it's fucking rough, my bro. It has terpenes, it has fucking cannabinoids, it has CBD, all of this fucking things that, yes, I've never seen it before in my life. When I was growing up, my bro, we smoked fucking sticks and fucking a bunch of seeds, and I loved it, bro. It was like nice, bro. You're still smoking the joint, the next moment is like a rush in your leg. You don't know when the fucking thing is gonna explode in your face, bro. Fucking one time, cut like him, bro. And I like that weed, bro. It tasted like cardboard, bro. It was nice. Now you don't have cardboard weed anymore.